Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is December the 6th, 2018, and I wanted to give you a quick update on my pansy seedlings here. So, I just finished watering these, so I have them pulled down from the light because I wanted to actually show you the root systems on these. You can see, here, hold on a moment. Go. They're starting to grow roots out the bottom. So that's a good thing. They're establishing the root system, which is what I want them to be doing. Now, I am still feeding these once a week with the Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food. And I always make sure that the seedlings soil is nice and moist before I feed them because I don't want to burn the root systems on them. So this is a Swiss Giants pack here. And this is the Swiss Giant pack over here. These are the orange pansies here, the orange sun pansies. So I just want to come back with a quick update for you. And I do feed my seedlings once a week. And I'm very pleased with how they're growing for me. You can see there, the roots are starting to come out the bottom. That's that white that you see at the bottom of the 6 cells there. So these continue to drink their water up there. And then I'm going to be putting them back under the light. So I'll come back when I put them back under the light and I will show you how close I still have them to the light. Now this is a regular LED fluorescent light, and I'm growing my seedlings under it. So we'll be right back. But very pleased, nice short sturdy growth on them. I do have them very close to the light because I want to keep them nice and short. And as you take your hand kind of across, it will actually make your plant stronger. Like, you don't want to whip your hand across, but you want to take it kind of gently across. It'll make them stronger for you, so you have stronger plants. You can turn a fan on. I do have a fan that I want to be plugging in. I have to find it so I can plug it in and get these more airflow coming through. So the airflow will help get more carbon dioxide to the plants, because as the plants take the air in, they process it through and they release the oxygen for us. So we want to get them fresh air flow. Plus it also helps to cut down on diseases and pest issues. So we're going to get some airflow going here for them too. So we'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I finished feeding my seedlings. And you can see here how close I still have the light to the seedlings because I want to keep them nice and short. So as these continue to grow, I will come back with more videos. Now I am checking the leaves over for aphids or spider mites or something like that. And I do keep a bottle of neem oil on hand in case I see an issue, so I can get it taken care of right away. I'll put a link down below for that. And yes, these are my little pansies. So if you didn't get your pansy seeds planted yet, December is a great time to plant them. I started these early. I started these back in October because I wanted an early start on them. And I wanted them, actually, I want them blooming indoors. So that was my goal. I'm probably going to be planting more pansy seeds. I might do some in some flats and then just transplant them out into the little 6-packs here. I haven't quite decided yet. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that tells you to put a new video on. Thank you for watching and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.